Thank you for joining me in my AZ900 certification prep course. You saw many lectures and many demonstrations on how to pass the AZ900 certification exam from Microsoft. The next thing you should do is to take the practice exams included in the certification prep guide. When you reach at least 90%, then you may be ready to take your exam. Be sure to also study the guide the night before and day of your exam once more. And feel free to watch the videos again on any subject where you need clarification. Since this is an exam that is the first of its kind, please leave me feedback to let me know your thoughts on this course. If you would like to follow me on LinkedIn, go to linkedin.com and do a search for Professor Robert McMillen. I post regular updates about courses I release and technical news relevant to the sysadmin, security, and cloud admin community. Once you pass your exam, post it online for everyone to see. I can't wait to hear the results, and I look forward to bringing you more training in the near future.